for it. I know. I've been pretty MIA on my YouTube channel. Um, been solid on the Turbo Robot and the LUCRO AI automated, managing service for the Turbo. And if you want information about that, just look at my previous video regarding the Turbo Robot. Just been focusing on that for the past months. Doing pretty well. That robot practically never loses, so if you're interested in automated trading, please look into that. This is a quick breakdown. Today is what? Today is October the 4th, 7:31 a.m. I'm usually up by 6:30, but I'm kind of late because I usually trade New York session, pre-New York and New York. I'm up by like 6:30, 7 in the morning looking at the charts. Usually execute a trade around that time. My trades usually last between like anywhere from 5 minutes to like 2 hours. I'm like a scalper basically. And if I do get my 15, 20, 30 pips, I just take partials, place my stop loss to entry, and just let it run. That's how I trade. I have a free Telegram channel, and I give out free signals. If you're into that kind of stuff, if you're wanting those free signals, the link is in the description below. Take advantage of that. I do it completely free for people in the community, people who are interested in the style I trade and can appreciate the bias, because it's not like you're obligated to take the trade. I mean, it's to help you see what I'm seeing, so you could be able to take advantage of my bias, and yeah, hopefully you can make money with it. I mean, disclaimer, I'm not a professional, I'm not a guru, I'm not charging anybody, I'm not forcing anybody to take a trade. Please, practice good risk management, 1 to 2 trades a day. Don't trade over 1 or 2% of your account. Always use stop loss, guys. So yeah, right now I mostly trade gold and GJ, so this is gold right now. So first of all, the thing I like to do first is find the support and resistance. I use lines. I start from top-down analysis. I start at the daily, so I put a line up here, clear resistance. Let's find another one, right? I use a black line for daily, okay? I see one here, clear support resistance, right? Let's keep on looking for another one right down here. A lot of touches, guys, a lot of touches. Touch here, here, blah blah blah. I also use trend lines sometimes, and again, black means daily. Look, one here, right here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I like it to touch, touch there, touch there, touch there, touch here. Let me just move it a little bit up. There you go. Touch here, touch here, touch here. Just a trend line, just to help visualize where you are in the market. Let's keep on looking. I don't like to here's another one. Touch here, here, blah blah blah. Alright, let's find another one. This is just for bias, to be able to clearly see where I'm at the market, the bias. Here we go, another one right here. Y, touched here, here, resistance, support. Alright, so after you do the daily, now we're gonna do 4 hour. The same thing for 4 hour, okay? Same thing for 4 hour, but for 4 hour we're gonna use orange. So okay, let's look for the same thing, support and resistance. Here we got one right here. We're gonna change it to orange, so we could visualize the 4 hour supply and demand, or support and resistance zones. You got here, touch here, here. You get the point. I mean, this is not for 100% beginners. You could use baby pips for that shit, or buy a course. I'm not selling you a course. This is just what the fuck I do. So just bear with me here. Support. I mean, yeah, resistance, support, support. Support, resistance. You get it. All right, let's keep on looking. Let's keep on looking right here. All right, so after we did daily, we did 4 hour, just a brief, you know, I don't want to clog the whole picture of it, you know. Now we're gonna go to the hourly, but the hourly I like to do it differently. The hourly, I zoom in, I just right click and reset chart, right? And I'm gonna use the box to do the support and resistance. Oh shit. So we're gonna go to what's happening in the market right now. Wow, look at that push. Wow. Alright, so we're gonna use the line for the recent support right here, okay? See? And then the most recent resistance, which is right up here. So basically it's like a breakout strategy, but I also do support and resistance as well. My strategy is super easy, guys. You get paid to wait, so I mean that's how it is. This is gold right here. Let's look at right up here. Let's put another one right up here. I just put a little box right on top of the candles. You see how I did it? Right here. I put the box right on top of the candles, and I use run-on boxes. You know, when I click here, it creates, I'm sorry, click here, it creates a run-on to the right. That's the box. That's the way I use the boxes, okay? And it's like a light green. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here right now, gold is tanking, you know, and it stopped where? At the resistance right over here. So this could easily, you know, gold could get to, you know, right now it's at 1704.51. It could drop all the way to 1700 as a psychological point, 1700, to keep on moving up, you know. So it could do this. Where's my pencil thingy? Oh, here it is, sorry. So price could go here. Wait. Yeah, price could hit down to 1700, right? To then go up here. To then probably, you know, go back down. Or you know, price could break this and go straight to 1723. You know, it could like literally like go like this to 1700, right? And then freaking break the fuck up all the way to 1722. That could happen, you know. Who knows? But hey, I mean, proper risk management, guys. That's all you have to do. So we're gonna have to wait. I mean, if price breaks 1695, let me put an alert right here. I'm gonna put an alert. Oh shit, let me just move this alert right here. If it breaks 1694.50, you're just gonna go, you're gonna alert this because you're not gonna be looking at the chart all the time. I hate being on the charts all day. I don't do that, guys. I only trade a couple of hours. Like, make my money 1 or 2 trades a day and call it a day. So crossing down, I'm gonna put here sell gold. So you know when price is around this area, it's gonna alert me on my phone or on the computer if I'm on desktop, and it's gonna tell me to sell fucking gold. So that's what I'm gonna do. And if it does sell, it could go all the way down to here, guys. All the way down to this daily support and resistance level at 1677.91. So yeah, let me just mark it up here so I won't forget. Nah, I'm not gonna mark it. So yeah, we're gonna wait. If it breaks up, we're gonna take a buy, because we got clean candles, guys. Clean candles over. Let me just put an alert here. We're gonna put an alert here at 1709. Crossing up. Gold buys. There you go. So we have, I always do 2 ways, a buy and a sell. I prepare for a buy or a sell. Okay, guys? So above 1710, we got clean candles, so there's a high probability the price is going to go all the way up to 1723.28. If it does, we're talking about over 120 pips. All right, but if we don't break up and we go all the way down, you know, we're gonna have to wait until price gets to, you know, the 1794 area, so we could do clean sells all the way down to probably, you know, price could go all the way down to 1685 or 1681. So yeah, that's pretty much for gold. Alright guys, so this is a breakdown for GJ. Same day, October 4th, 7:43, kind of late. I don't think I'm gonna take a trade today, but this is like my breakdown. Again, you're gonna go to the daily and you're gonna click reset chart and you're gonna scroll the fuck out. Okay, you're gonna scroll out so you can see we're looking all the way back to 2007. So yeah, the same thing. Use your line, the black line. You're gonna mark up your support and resistance. All right, so we use black for daily. All right, so we keep on looking. I always like to mark the top, you know. All right, we're gonna go here. This is another one. Support, resistance, really strong. Okay, we're gonna keep on looking. All right, where can we find? Oh, right here. We can find another one. Clear as day. Support, resistance, support. You know, resistance, support, blah 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 blah. All right, let's keep on finding. Here's another one. We're literally on one right now. All right, let's keep on looking. Right up here, there's another one, a small one, but yeah, you can see it right over here. Let's keep on looking. Look, and here's another one. All right, so we did our dailies. We're gonna go to the 4 hour. We're gonna do the same thing, but with an orange line. Okay, here's one clear as day. Well, not really clear, but here we got one. We're gonna mark that orange. Okay. Remember guys, this is what I do, so you don't have to do this, but I like to do it. This is just part of like my routine in the mornings. Before I look to take a trade, I always mark it up to get a bias. That's the whole fucking point, to get a bias. Okay. Maybe I could just do one more. Here we go. Alright, after we did 4 hour, we're gonna go down to an hour, right? As you get, oh shit. Alright. What the fuck? Alright. Alright, so as you can see here, right off the bat, you can see that, you know, it's kind of still like an uptrend. You see, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It's consolidating, and look at this fucking drop. And look, we corrected that whole move up. So we're currently around 16424. All right. So once you're in the hourly, you're gonna click reset, and it's gonna zoom in automatically. All right. So this is what we see on the hourly. So yeah, as you can see here, support, resistance, and went down and went up, so it's on like a current uptrend. If it breaks 165 psychological level, it's gonna go up. All right, but yeah, it bounced off of that resistance, so there's clearly, you know, a resistance area at 165. So what we're gonna do, boys and girls, we're gonna draw that box, zoom in, and we're gonna draw that box right where? Right up here, right on top of the bodies of the candles, right there, where you can see it. All right, where else? Let's see, right here. All right, right here. Wow, so right now we're in a huge resistance level, because right off the bat here, you're gonna see that black line, which is daily. You're gonna see the orange line, which is a 4 hour. So we're literally, this whole area here is a huge resistance zone. Okay, So I'm not gonna lie, I mean GJ looks kind of sloppy right now. Consolidation, I don't see a trade. I mean, I do see a trade above 165, right? We're gonna look to the left and see if there's like clean candles. Prices down here where you see the dotted lines. So I mean, I don't know. I mean, I think there's more sells than buys, to be honest, based on the resistance. I don't know, man. I mean, I see a clear sell under, let's see, under 163.525, so we're gonna mark that right here. Sells. Why sells? Because look at this clean candle. So if it breaks this area, it's most likely gonna tap here or here. It's gonna probably tap around 163.140, you know, 162.842. So we're gonna put here, if it crosses down, GJ sells. Okay, and and up here, if market breaks 160, yeah, I'm gonna put it around here, 164. Yeah, this is like a clear indication that GJ could still move up, so I'm gonna put GJ buys there. But yeah, guys, I mean, let me go down to the 15-minute to see. I mean, it's sloppy. Look at this shit. I mean, it could go up to hit, you know, 164.620 for a short term, to then keep on going down, because this area is really, I mean, right now we're in a really clear resistance, because when you look up, look at the 4-hour, look how it looks. We're like on that resistance zone, so you can see market went all the way down, so it's probably going to consolidate a little bit here. But you know, when you look, when in doubt, look, you know, zoom out. You know, at 4-hour, you can see where I placed the alert for a sell, because look at those clean candles, you know. But yeah, so that's basically my markup. You know what I'm seeing for today. Today's Tuesday, October the 4th, 7:49. So on GJ, I don't really see any clear sells. If you know, we're gonna have to break 163.486 to be able to see some sells. Probably price could go all the way down to 162.237. But if price, you know, goes over 165, it could play out and maybe hit all the way up to 166.859. So let's see what happens, guys. So I appreciate everybody on this video. I know it was kind of long, but that's basically how I look at market structure. That's how I see, and I can figure out the bias. You know what I'm saying? If you like this, please like, subscribe to this channel. Please share it to some fellow traders. If you want to take advantage of the free signals, the link is in the description below. If you want to take advantage of the AI and the automated trading, the link is in the description below, guys. So hopefully you have an excellent day, and catch you on to the next one. Take care, guys.